Hey guys, I'm your Quick Tech Buddy, and in this video I'll tell you that how to convert any PDF file into MS Word file without any software. So let's start our video after this short break. So here I have taken this demo file which I am going to convert into Word file. So for converting this file, we need to open our main browser first. So here I have taken Google Chrome as my main browser. Once you have opened Google Chrome, search ilovepdf.com slash pdf underscore to underscore word, and once you have opened this website, here you can select PDF file. Click this option to select PDF. So here I am selecting this demo file. So here you can see this option, convert to Word. Just click this option and then your file will be converted. So now it is converted, and here you can see that this is automatically downloaded. If it is not downloaded, then you can click this download Word option to download the file. So I hope you learned something new today, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.